Make Your Dream Body is an outstanding platform, created for every fitness enthusiast in India. We understand your challenges and limitations, because our struggle has been similar as yours. With years of trial and error, and personal research, we have learned exactly what works best, in terms of achieving a constant progress. Now
2,000 years later,
we are driven by the passion of guiding everybody to achieve their dream physique by using the same methodology. So how can you take advantage of this wonderful platform? Firstly, we have our website that has virtually all the information you require to either kickstart or maximize your fitness efforts. Right from informative video library to delicious healthy recipes, we have covered all the pillars of health and fitness. Do not forget to use our calculators to get fascinating and useful information. You can even order supplements that match your goal and current fitness level. For those of you who believe in simplicity, we have developed our applications that deliver your customized nutrition and workout plan directly on your mobile. The first application is MYDB Elite, that integrates the power of customized workout and meal plan and makes them available with few clicks on your phone. Diet plays 80% role in creating your best physique. Therefore, we have developed another application called MYDB EvolveNutritex. MYDB EvolveNutritex is the most advanced system to maximize the impact of food in your fitness quest. This application is meant for people who value the power of nutrition without making it complicated and boring. MYDB Elite and MYDB EvolveNutritex track your progress and make necessary adjustments on a daily basis. Most importantly, the applications establish a 24/7 connection between you and us. Our goal with Make Your Dream Body is to bring a more scientific and research-backed approach to the fitness industry in India, through tools and information which are simple and easy to use. We want to weed out the crap and bro science that the industry is full of at the moment. As all great things take time to happen, so is the case with our website too. Our website is going to be functional within few weeks. However, our YouTube channel, as well as Facebook page, are fully functional. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and join our page. The most exciting news is about our applications. Both applications are ready to be used now. Please call us or send a mail to get a free access to our application, including your personalized nutrition and workout plan. Take your health and fitness to a higher level. Get in touch with us today.